Carefully slide a knife across the top of the box after checking the unboxing instructions. On top of the styrofoam, there's an opening sheet. Check all the handling information included there. Inside the box, you should find the following items: the TV stand, the remote control and the easy remote, 2 cable adapters, the power cord, 4 screws, and the quick start guide. To unpack the TV set, locate the 4 plastic buckles around the box and remove them. You should be able to easily pull the box from the top. We recommend 2 people to lift and hold the set. Please don't try to lift the TV alone, as you could injure yourself or damage the TV. We also recommend moving the TV with the lateral styrofoam blocks on, in order to safeguard the set. Then, check the letter on each side of the stand. The R should be placed on the right-hand side of the screen, and the L on the left-hand side. You will need a screwdriver to fit the 4 screws included in the box. Place 2 screws on one side of the stand and the remaining 2 screws on the other side. Note that your stand installation may be different depending on your model number, so please check your quick start guide for detailed instructions. Once the stand is securely attached, place the TV vertically and remove the remaining styrofoam blocks and the protective sleeve. To avoid any damage, ask someone to help you, and together you can position the TV where you would like it to stand. Check also the quick start guide to learn how to hold the screen safely.